Okay guys, welcome back. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to join any group on Facebook. So open your Facebook. When you open your Facebook, click on this profile menu button and click on see more here. See more, then click on groups. Click on groups. There's a lot of groups here. This is you can see Kawakata in Ilorin. Just click on join and you have automatically joined. Abuja Cow on it, click on it, it will have automatically joined. And if you are searching for any group, just come to the search button menu, then go and let me just create search for let me just search for something random. Just click on it and the group will come. Just click on join, click on join, click on join, and you have automatically joined the group. And that is how you can search and join any group on your Facebook. If you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.